Hello everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and I wanted to show you how I decorated a Frozen themed birthday party. Now Frozen is very popular right now, and so when I started collecting the items, I went to some of my favorite stores to include Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Homegoods, you name it, I bought it if it remotely resembled anything in the Frozen theme. So I want to show you how this all came together. Now I also use these water bottle labels, and if you are not good with creating things, you can find those on Etsy. And here is how it all came together. I was really pleased. I started with this backdrop, and if you guys want to know how to create a backdrop, I have a different video that I will link in the comment box below. And once I finished the backdrop, I started working on centerpieces, and these were just figures that I cut out and printed and put on sticks and glued them in, and they were really cute. Here is the cake that was made by Rachel Smith at Hot Mama's Bakery, and she can be found on Facebook. She also created some beautiful and delicious cake pops and cupcakes. We went with the pastel theme, which is a little bit different from the Frozen typical colors, and here are the chocolate covered Oreos along with some more cookies, and just showing you guys how all of this was displayed beautifully on the table. Now the different pieces that I used, the cake stands and pedestals, were from Homegoods, and so those were really beautiful, and it worked out great with this particular theme. And I got the fabric from the backdrop and the purple piece from Hobby Lobby, so that really added to the shimmery look because I wanted it to look really wintry, like you were in a winter wonderland, and I was really ecstatic about how it turned out. It was really the focal point of the party. The birthday girl had a blast, and I am telling you, I had a blast as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment box below. And as always, stay connected. We're here on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow us, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Bye-bye.